YouTube? Be back with another video. Whew. I was just chilling out at that church. Man, it felt good, man. Just to chill. Listen to some music, just vibe out, just sit in the shade. If you guys haven't done that, like, just take a break from riding and just chill. Just find a spot, chill. We're just chilling today, having a good time. Enjoying the weather for real. It's like perfect weather out. They got the music in too, so you know. I love riding, bro. If you guys don't have a bike and you want to get one, get one. Like, just get one, bro. If your parents let you, just get one. Do it. You won't regret it. There's no way. I've been losing too many people on bikes, for real. Like, it's crazy. Guys, I've been thinking about doing a, I know I did it a while ago, was a, what it's like to ride with music in on a sport bike. And the video did pretty good for the time. Like, I've been planning on doing a part 2. When I do that video, it gets demonetized because obviously I'm gonna use music, like good music, instead of just like beats and shit. But you know, it's worth it. It's fun making videos with actual like music. Felt good. Feels so good in these back roads, bro. It's nice and cool in the shade. Hope you guys are having a good day or a good night. Woo! First nose and I'm on the same thing. Whew. Oh yeah. Hey guys, also like let me know if you want me to do like I did that one live when I put on the NRC tail teddy. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I put the NRC tail teddy on. I'll show you, I'll throw a picture up. It looks real. It's the same one I had on my last bike. But yeah, when I put that on, I went live and it was pretty fun. So I'm down to do more lives. If you guys are down for me to do more lives, if you guys like them, I'll do more. Hell yeah. Hey guys, you know what's crazy? I was looking at the analytics today, and take a guess on how many people that watch my channel are actually subscribed. Take a guess. Are you ready? I'll even throw a picture up. As of right now, 5% of people that watch my channel are subscribed. That's crazy. That's crazy. The other 95% not subscribed. That's crazy. I have to have like the worst analytics stats for people sub to my channel. Oh, it feels so good, bro. As soon as I put my visor up, it's like the AC turns on, bro. It gets so hot with it down. I gotta go hit the gym up after this. I got back in buys. For sure. I screwed my, dude, when I was at the gym like a week ago, if you guys were watching the video, I screwed my wrist up and it still kind of hurts, bro. So it's kind of a bitch to do like bicep curls and shit. And Mother's Day. Buddy. So I'm not talking hella today. I'm just taking it all in, for real. Hey, but guys, if talking about mods next though, what mod would you want me to get next? Would you want me to get I was thinking about, I answered in the Q&A video last, I was gonna do headers with a tune, because then it'd basically be straight pipe, so that'd be hard. It would be loud as hell, but you know, it would be tuned too, so it'd be faster. Like I said, if I get headers, I do need to get a tune, because it's basically, well, it is. It's a full system at that point. So, like I said, the air to fuel ratio is going to be thrown off. It's going to cost a pretty penny, but. Oh, I know where I'm at. Huh. Interesting. It was green in my eyes. Ow. Said gravel, hell nah. Hell nah. I don't fuck with the gravel, bro. I for real get so scared about gravel now, so I'm not trying to go down. You feel? Damn, bro. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.